Hello and welcome back to my channel. So, straight to the point, right? If you have tried to quit porn before and failed, now listen carefully. It's not because you're weak, and I repeat, it's not because you're weak. Rather, it's because you didn't have a system and a structure to go about it. That's just it. Now, today I'll be showing you a simple step by step plan that actually works, right? No condemnation, no shame, no guilt. Just pure science, discipline, and practical steps because recovery is possible. And I mean, it's very, very possible. Are you ready? So let's go step by step. So, step one, I call it awareness, or rather, I can also call it that admitting phase actually, because the first step to breaking free is to admit you need help. Yes, admit is affecting you. Don't live in denial. Admit is affecting your focus, your energy, your relationship, your productivity, everything about you because you can't fix what you pretend isn't there. So, coming to this realization is the first step to freedom. And I mean it is the first step to freedom. Okay? So, step two, remove access. Oh, yeah, this is a serious phase. As I'm talking to you right now, pick up your phone and start deleting those apps. Now, block those websites that will always drop notifications. Picking, 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 picking. Unfollow triggers. Don't rely on willpower alone. It won't help you. Don't live in denial. Okay? If it's easy to reach, as in, if you have quick access to all these apps and everything, you will relapse. Make it hard. Discipline yourself. Discipline your environment. Are you hearing me? Good. Yes. Hear me very clearly. Step three, replace the habits. Now, if you only quit, right, you will leave a vacuum. And nature abhors vacuum. And the brain hates emptiness. So, what do? I believe we've heard this adage, an idle mind is a devil's workshop, right? Same thing happens to this kind of struggles. So you have to replace the habits. How do you do that? Exercise, learn a skill, read. Like my number one priority, I always say, pray. Work on your goals, build better dopamine sources. Are you hearing me? Beautiful. Number four, accountability. I've told us times without number. Don't fight alone. Talk to somebody you trust, maybe your spiritual mentor or a therapist, a friend that you trust, a mentor who you trust, because not all mentors are trusted. Oh, yes. A support group, because secrecy feeds addiction, while accountability breaks it. I've said this 10 times with that number. Don't think you're a superhuman. Don't use willpower here. This is a very serious struggle. And willpower here will never work. Okay? Good. Step five, reset your brain. Now, give your brain time. That is just the truth. It doesn't happen automatic. The first 2 weeks are hard. Urges will hit you back to back. Mood swing will happen. Now, this is just normal. Your brain is healing. It's just trying to reset itself back to what it was before. Remember, we talked about rewiring and wiring again. So that's what is happening. Stay consistent for 60 to 90 days. And clarity will return. I assure you, your energies will return. Your confidence will return. Now, listen, every day you stay clean, your brain rewires. One day at a time. Your discipline will grow back. You become stronger than the urges. Like I said, it's not easy, but your determination will make it easy for you. You understand? Now, freedom isn't magic. You're not doing abracadabra here. It's a daily decision, and I mean a conscious one. So, if you are ready to start this journey today, comment I am starting. Like this video, subscribe, and I will share more tools to help you stay free, one step at a time. And trust me, you've got this. You can do it. You can do it. So see you in my next video where I'll be talking about withdrawal syndrome and porn withdrawal. Before then, stay strong.